Shein nail kit, does it actually last a week or chip by day 2? Real Test 2026. Shein nail kits are everywhere right now, but the big question is simple: do they actually last, or are you going to see chips after 2 days? I checked current Shein listings and customer feedback, and the answer isn't as bad as you might expect. Some gel kits are getting surprisingly strong reviews. One 12-piece poly gel kit on Shein Philippines has a 4.83 rating from 500+ reviews, with buyers describing it as beginner-friendly and easy to use. But here's the catch: the kit itself isn't the only thing determining how long your manicure lasts. Nail preparation matters a lot. If there's oil, moisture, or leftover cuticle on the nail, the gel may not bond properly. Applying layers that are too thick can also cause problems with curing and make the manicure more likely to lift or peel. I also found a builder gel from Shein with a 4.76 rating from 500+ reviews, including a 2025 buyer who claimed it lasted more than 2 weeks without cracking or peeling. That's a promising result, but it's still one customer's experience rather than a guarantee. Another current option, the LimeGirl Gel Polish Set, has a 4.77 rating from 100+ reviews, with buyers reporting smooth application and good durability. So would I expect every Shein nail kit to survive a full week? No. Your application technique, lamp, nail preparation, product quality, and everyday activities can all change the result. If you're testing one yourself, take photos on day 1, day 3, day 5, and day 7. Look for lifting around the edges, chips, cracks, peeling, and loss of shine.